Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can disable automatic updates in Chrome on Windows 10. There's two methods that you can use. The first is by disabling the Google Updates service. Tap the Win+R keyboard shortcut and this is going to open the run box. In the run box, enter services.msc and then tap enter. In this list of services, look for Google Update Service, right-click it and select Properties from the context menu. Go to the General tab and open the Startup Type dropdown. Select either Manual or the Disable option and then click Apply. Repeat this for all the Google Update services that you see in this app. The second method that you can use is to disable the Google Update task. Open Task Scheduler and then select Task Scheduler Library in the column on the left. Look for a task called Google Update. Right-click it and select Disable. Once you disable automatic updates for Chrome, you can update it manually. Open Chrome and click the More Options button here. Go to Help and then select About Google Chrome. In this new tab that opens, Chrome is going to check for updates, and if a new update is available, it is going to be downloaded. You're going to have to relaunch Chrome to apply the update. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.